Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next topic in data handling, that is probability. That means possibility. There are situations in our life that are certain to happen, some that are impossible and some that may or may not happen. The situation that may or may not happen has a chance of happening. So probability is the chance of occurrence of an event. Events which have no chance of happening have probability 0, like all impossible events. So that have no chance of happening, therefore their probability will be 0. And those are certain to happen, that is always sure to happen, have probability 1. And events that have many possibilities can happen or not happen, that probability will lie between 0 and 1. So examples of an event that's certain to happen, that is always sure to happen, like the sun will rise in the east. So sun will always rise in the east only, same as the sun will set in the west only. So these are always certain to happen. And here examples of an events which are impossible, like gravity stops working on earth. So it is impossible that gravity stops working on earth. And a dice landing up with number 8, because there are only 6 faces on a dice, 1 2 6 faces, and so it is impossible that it can land up with number 8. So impossible events probability will be always 0. Here is the formula to calculate probability, that is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Let's see now question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Here it is given, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So here first one is, you are older today than yesterday. So obviously it is always certain to happen. So here we will write this situation, this is always certain to happen. Second one is, a tossed coin will land heads up. So when we toss a coin, it can land up with head or tail. So it is always not sure that it will land up with head only. So it can happen but not certain. So here we will write can happen but not certain. Third one is, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. So just now we did that our dice has only 6 faces, number 1 to 6. So it is impossible that it can land up with 8. So here we will say it is an impossible event. Fourth is, the next traffic light seen will be green. So next traffic light can be green, can be red, can be yellow. So it is not always certain to happen. So here we will write can happen. It can be green but not certain. Fifth one is, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So we are not sure about that tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Okay, it may or it may not. So here we will write can happen but not certain. Let's see question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So here are 6 marbles in a box and there are 1 to 6 numbers are marked. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? And what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So let's find it out. So total number of marbles in a box, that are 6, and the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. So there is only one possibility that the drawing a marble is with the number 2. So here favorable outcome will be 1 and total number outcomes will be 6. So probability is 1 upon 6. Same as in second part, probability of drawing a marble with the number 5. So it will be also 1 upon 6 because there is only one possibility that the drawing marble is with the number 5. So here the probability is 1 upon 6. Let's see question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will start? We know that a coin has two possible outcomes, head and tail, and probability of getting head or tail is equal. There is equal possibility for getting head or tail. Probability your team will start, it will be 1 out of 2. If head is chosen, so it will be 1 out of the two possibilities, head or tail. If team will choose tail, then also the probability will be 1 upon 2. So probability your team will start will be 1 upon 2.